Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope all is well with you. So this moment, what we're about to do now is something that some people may say that is against them. Some may say, I am okay with it. But I want to let you know something before we start. I am not here to attack anybody, or neither am I planning to bring somebody down or to make somebody look so stupid. No. That is not my intention. I genuinely want us to understand something. I don't derive joy talking down on anybody, but sometimes we have to say it the way it is, which may not be comfortable to some people, especially those who have high hope on one particular individual or another. We all know that some people have their own favorites. You want to be fall back, you want to hide out, you want to be neutral, you want this, you want that. But at the end of the day, that which you want may be something that other people don't want. But we have to understand something here. As a black people, as a black race, as an African, as a Biafran, as one for people. No matter our differences, no matter our belief and our hope, there are some things that we'll be doing outside. That thing will become an embarrassment to another person, even though the person may not agree with you in all you are doing. But that which you are doing could be very, very shameful to even those that are very, very skeptical about you, that are not even in agreement with you all this while. Nkere and his group need to understand something. The level of embarrassment is getting out of hand, and we're going to talk about it in this video. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. There's something I saw on social media from one of Nkere members. I don't know, he's trying to celebrate something or what, but we are going to go through it bit by bit. So let's start with this one. This is somebody that called Odogu. He said, do you / everyone see the below commemorative gift insignia of the 56th speakers of the United States of House of Representatives? It is for Briggy, PM Nkere. No one, I repeat, no one can take it from him forever. God bless Prime Minister of Briggy, Nkere. That's what this guy put here. Then when you look at this picture here, you see Nkere holding pin. You know, if you go to some wedding, or maybe for those of you that are Catholic, if you are an Orthodox Christian, you can agree with me that some functions in churches that during the event, they will be selling pin. You have to pin it on your clothes. That thing has to do with the event. Some people that are doing, that are having their wedding ceremony, they do sell pin. If you go to some bazaar, if you're Catholic, you understand what I mean by bazaar. They'll be selling this pin. If, let's say, a man that is 100 years is doing birthday, the children may decide to design pin that everybody that is in attendance of that celebration will also be pinned. They give you that pin, they will tell you any amount. Some have fixed price, some are totally free. It depends on the choice of the organizer and those that are having that are celebrating, the whatever they're celebrating. It is not just in one particular occasion. In government, people do the same. But because of this big grammar here, commemorative gift insignia, this word, if you check everything, what does it mean? Okay, we have to say the truth here, because I try my best to bring to you the meaning of all this. When you check the word commemorative gift insignia, it simply means commemorative gift insignia is a symbolic token or emblem, such as a custom badge. You can design it, customize it the way you want, badge that you can pin on the clothes. Some said, he said again, badge, medal, or coin given to mark a specific event. Given to mark a specific event, milestone, or achievement. It typically features distinct organizational logo, dates, or text to serve as a lasting keepsake for that event. In summary, if you are having maybe anniversary, marriage anniversary, that you have spent 30 years or 50 years anniversary of couple, they may decide to design medal or coin or badge or pin, whatever you may call it, that will be a token given to people that are in attendance. For that, as long as you see that pin, as long as you see that, you remember that event. Understand this? You remember that event. That's what it means. That is what it means. So the word insignia is this. It's being pronounced like according to AI, pronounced it wrong. Insignia. Insignia. Do you hear that? Now, what does it mean? An insignia is a distinguished mark, badge, or emblem that indicates a person's rank, official position, or membership in a particular group or organization. All right, let us narrow it down now. Here, he said, do you or everyone see the below commemorative gift insignia of the, this is the word, this insignia, the gift stands for the 56th Speaker of the United States of Representatives. In the celebration on the memory of that event, they gave people that are in attendance this pin. Okay? It is for Briggy. This guy says that this pin is for Briggy APM Nkere. No one, he repeats, no one can take it from him forever. What does that mean? As if this pin actually matters. And Nkere, pose here with American flag holding that pin. Now, when you zoom the pin here, what is written here is Speaker, House of Representatives, United States of America. 56th Speaker of the House of Representatives, United States of America. This is not to honor Nkere. This is not to honor Nkere Briggy. Nothing. This pin was given to everybody that is in attendance. Just for in memory of this event. These criminals that are backing on social media decided to come here and use that as if they've achieved something very, very important. And when I saw this, I said, okay, let me know more about, is this not pin or my eye they pay me? It happened to be that it's been truly. Now, people that are not Biafran may see this, and that's where the embarrassment will set in, and say, look at what kind of people are this? That's why I've seen some posts, people claiming, like Jovika made a post that Banana said that when he was growing up, that this belief from people from his side in Warrior or whatever, where he come from, that this belief that Igbo people are very, very smart. But the current Igbo people now don't live to the expectation. That you don't see that smartness anymore. Especially those who believe in Biafra and all that. This kind of attitude is what makes that look so real. The man will have handshake and begin to celebrate it. The man will, why must we actually ignore this kind of thing? Because the embarrassment is getting too much. And people need to say it, call it out, and say it the way it is. Now, some may say, but it's not Nkere that posted it, but he's the one that posted this, and of course, review the picture. He did not just copy this picture on his own. This picture, he saw it from Nkere. Look at him here. Okay? What does this have to do with your recognition? I thought you said you are getting recognition. That you are a congressman. So the congressmen have seen that you are you have had enough handshake with him, and you made it because you are prognosing on the event. This event could be anybody that is available. If you actually are available, just come. If you're available, just let's see you. And him and Elias, now they have to go there to get a new picture to make it look like they have achieved something. People who don't understand it may look at this medal and say, "Oh, that congressmen awarded Nkere a medal, or a gift that they don't give this honor to everybody. That this pin is for people that matter in society." The congressman, the speaker that couldn't even come the day of your congressional hearing or congressional briefing. Why are we doing this to ourselves? The embarrassment is too much. It's not funny, to be honest with you. I don't see it as a funny thing. Look at the emblem here. When you zoom in very well, you can see what is written here. It has nothing to do with Ogre. But this is the same group of people. When this guy had handshake with Mike Arnold, they begin to talk about it as if it's a very big deal. And the guy, the one that did that one, tagged it to Mike Arnold. Mike Arnold don't have any other choice than to respond. Because he don't want to use his name for this kind of pretense. He began to voice out. He started complaining about it. They unleashed anger and attack on him. Of course, Mike Arnold just ignore that and of course respond to them for some time and expose them of what they are. On that morning, look at it now. This is what they do. And that is why if you do something that they couldn't do, they will use the same thing because their mindset is fixed on this kind of thing. They know that people don't have, many of us are not conversant with how this thing works. So they will use it to pretend, lie, and make you feel like they are doing something crucial. Those that know what I'm talking about don't have time to lecture other people about it. That's why we are the one now lecturing ourselves, telling ourselves what this actually means. It doesn't mean anything. It's not a big deal. But the man has made it like as if that is a very important news to swallow. Now, the same Nkere group, this one, Eunice BB, Briggy is focused. We don't do saga. Okay, we don't do saga and the propaganda. We engage powers that be. We get powers that be. We educate people. We engage powers that be. We educate people. Watch all the people crying on social media, both independent media and fake group media. They cannot stand the truth coming from Briggy, coming from Eunice PB. Okay? They cannot stand the truth coming from Briggy. Once their social media money decreases, they look for more lies because they depend on social media money to feed their families. They are hungry fools. You all can continue with your lies while Briggy keep sonning. I honestly, this lady, you know what? Let me just say something, okay? You cannot just come out and begin to say things like this when you know that everything about you is fraud. Eunice PB, from beginning, you are not genuine, and you cannot be genuine. Eunice PB is a hardened saboteur, like people with a saboteur with high level of stubbornness and hatred on his people, a saboteur that doesn't have any conscience. What she do is just to favor herself and enrich herself. Speaking of social media money, I have said it before. If you are posting something and monetize your channel or your platform, will you be making money? Yes, you'll be making money. But that money, how much? Do you know that some, in fact, should I even, do you deserve this? You don't deserve it. But what I'm saying is that there's no money on social media. If you are, most especially if you're talking about Biafran topic or Biafran inch, is actually a limited inch. If I am talking like what Liz Kano, talking about politics in general, talking about Yoruba politician, when you started, that you started with, have to stand with it. If you shift another thing, that channel will be almost dead because of the algorithm. If you know, you know. But I don't blame you. Somebody who is benefiting from contribution and contract money, what do you expect? She actually believed that saying this may make people to begin to run away and dodge from exposing their lies and atrocities. You said here again that you are not into saga. And you said people are lying, telling lies. To cut the long story short, it is an open challenge to anybody from fallback group. If you don't mind, we can agree on something. No insult, no abuse. I challenge you to come. Let us talk one-on-one and make sense out of what is going on. No insult, no abusive word. Politely, I will give you time, you talk, then you keep quiet, I talk. Then I keep quiet, you reply. Can we do that for 2 hours? Then let us know who is who. If you agree to this challenge, then I know that you are, number one, you are real. You are real. And you actually believe what you are talking about. Because the reason why none of you are able to engage anybody is because you know that you're a fraud. And for you to, in this your post, in this PB, you actually prove that you are truly a fraud. One, what you put out here, he said, Briggy is focused. We don't do saga and propaganda. We engage powers that be. Why you say powers that be? Because we are running away from Biafrans question and answer to questioning you. You don't want to engage your fellow Biafrans. You don't want to talk. You are pretending that you are engaging power that be, whereas you cannot even engage ordinary normal conversation. You are talking about power that be. That is a sign of fraud, and that is a no-no for me. And if you are in doubt, prove me wrong. Accept UNSPB, accept, or maybe the other guy called Nana. I challenge you also. Can you accept? Let's have it. Reason is because many of you are dodging this truth. You don't want to have conversation. You don't want to talk. I appeared on your platform for back Nkere. I appeared on one of, I think, Nana platform. I forgot to save that his platform. I can't even locate it anymore. I appeared there once, and I want you guys to appear on my own once. Let us talk. Even though when I appeared there, he kicked me out. I was assured that I'm not going to kick you out. No matter what you say, I will not kick you out until you are done. But if you want to our force to go on contest, then I can kick you out for you to regain your sense of reason. Then if you want coming back, I will bring you back. But if you can keep this agreement, talk, then I talk. Then let's have conversation. Because you guys are lying with everything in you. If you are truthful like you claim you want to be, can you start that conversation? You are engaging power that be, but you can't even engage your own brothers. You can't even talk. You said you educate people. You have to study something. You have to learn something before you educate another person. What do you know? That's what you are. How you started. The only time we talk about Biafra is now we talk under his fake briggy. And you said you wanted. God do know that you want to be educated. What exactly do you know? Speaking of people that are making money on social media, according to you, making money on social media, I've told you what it means. And it's actually free. You can start making money if it is good, if it is easy. Come and make it, let us see. You are in Canada, a country that will give you money to feed. What do you know? What are you doing in Canada? What do you actually know? You are now close to Nkere, a cheerful giver. Normally, you don't show your face, but when the money is involved, you start showing your face. We know your ethics. We know what you do for what you are doing. A hungry woman and a fraud, calling people hungry fools. Use your brain and what I'm saying now, because you have not agreed. If you agree to go one-on-one to talk, I will not insult you. It's a promise, but you are not going to insult me too. It will be vice versa. If you agree, we shall see. Now, this kind of insult from Nkere is out of it. Now, we said tiers of CRC, BGC, PUC, USB. Okay, tiers. So this is people doing this. It simply means that you are. Remember, you say you don't run propaganda. Or you just put it out here that you are not doing propaganda, but down here you put this tank with this. You have time to design this, and you are not into you're not running propaganda. So you are telling that genuinely this tank is filled with the tears, right? And that's not propaganda to you. I told you you're a fraud, and you keep on proving everything I said that you are to be true. Anyway, I just want to share this with us. Let me know what you think about of discussed so far. What do you have to say with Nkere? It is his pretense that he has won award, he won medal, they gave him medal, congressmen give, because that's what they're trying to say. That's exactly the message that he wants to pass. They gave him an award, he won something from congressmen and all that. But we have zoomed it, we have exposed every bit of it, every word that comes with it. It is non-decimated. Unless if you are not truthful, you don't want to accept this truth, then educate me on the comment section. If you don't have time to type, call me out and I will set the program for you to come and expose what I just said or throw me off balance. It's a challenge to even people in the USB government that want to counter what I said, or if you're in PUC, is it PUC? If you are in PGC, if you are in CS, all these are groups. They are not government. And that's different between government and group. Please like the video and let me know what you think about it. And God bless you. Take care of yourself. See you again in day one.